Welcome back again sa video natin. Today, I'm gonna be talking about the social media managers. Ano ba mga roles natin sa social media managers? So, ano ba mga role natin as social media managers or SMM? So, number one is, pag ma-hire ka na sa isa sa client mo, you need to understand your client's brand. Kailangan mo siyang maintindihan. Ano bang brand ng client mo? Before, going in, you need to research a bit kung ano bang klase na brand talaga yung gusto na mapalabas ng client mo sa kanilang mga followers. So you need to really understand about that. Number two is you need to know your client's audience as well. So kailangan mo rin malaman kung ano bang tinatarget nila ng mga followers nila. So kailangan mong malaman kung ano ba nilang mga age, ano ba mga sex or ano ba saan ba yung mga target locations nila. May mga clients din kasi na nagbebenta ng mga products sa mga pangbata. May mga clients din na nagbebenta ng mga products na pangmamatanda. May mga clients din na nagbebenta ng mga products na pang teens. So you need to understand and you need to know kung ano ba yung mga target na mga market nila. So yung mga female ba or male, kung yung product ng boss mo is nagbebenta sila ng mga female ng mga items like bags, like shoes. So kailangan mo talaga silang ma-identify. And so kung saan ba sila located, like for example, ng client mo is sa USA pero yung ang particular brand nila or particular na business nila is exclusively selling sa Los Angeles na area or sa New York or kahit saan. So hindi mo siya pwede na ang client mo i-advertise mo rin sa Pakistan, 'di ba? So, 'yun ang mga dapat mong malaman sa social media manager. Connection din, kailangan mo rin malaman kung ano ba mga time zone and ano ba mga work hours na sa business nila, ano bang mga operations nila. So, kailangan mo rin i-convert yung time mo, obviously, since you're in the Philippines. So, example, kung mag-deal ka sa mga Eastern time, which is usually from kung 8 a.m. dito sa atin, 8 p.m. sa kanila. So, you need to also adjust your time as well. Speaking of time zone, you need to be aware. Siguro sa mga next video ko, i-share ko rin yan kung ano ba dapat ang gawin natin when it comes to like knowing the time zones and hours between our clients as well. So kailangan natin malaman yan. And next is we should also understand the business. Ito yung sinasabi ko, kung ang business ng client mo is yung product nila is solar panels or pet products or digital products, you need to understand or you need to know them well para maging effective ka na social media manager. The next is ang color and design. So may mga client kasi, let's say for example, ang brand logo nila is ang color ng logos nila is nasa yellow and red. May mga clients din kasi nga very particular dun sa branding nila. So when it comes to, may mga client din nagsasabi na, Jake, ito yung brand color ko, yellow and red. So most likely, yung ipopost ko ng mga contents, o yung mga creatives ko, yung mga poster ko ipopost, relate, para din match din yun sa logo nila. Say for example, yung poster ko is all about, yung design nila is yellow and red din, which is I'm gonna be talking about later sa ating social media creative. So, yan, dapat malaman natin yan. And as a social media manager, you should also know how to communicate with the brand's followers or your client's followers. So it's really important for you na talagang makipag-communicate ka with the followers sa mga client mo. It's really important talaga na kailangan ng communication skills mo, not in voice but in the way you respond sa mga comments, the way you respond sa mga reactions nila. So kailangan maintindihan mo din 'yun. And you need to ask your client about it kung ano bang gusto nila na style of communication. Let's say for example, para bang medyo cool or medyo medyo seryoso na type. So you need to ask that before really engaging into your job. So you can ask your client about this pag-hiring process nila or sa interview process pa lang kung ano bang kinakailangan nila na type of social media manager, okay? Next is giving information to followers. Connection din yan sa communication. So if someone will comment dun sa mga post ng client mo, you should have, enough knowledge then to give, the right information to your followers as well. Next is know the different social media creatives like photos, like video sizes, which is I'm gonna be talking about that kasi sa Facebook kasi may tatawag sila nga dapat the right size sa pag-post sa Facebook mo para makita sila, ma-view sila properly sa mobile. Different din sa Instagram, different din sa TikTok, different din sa Snapchat, different din sa any social media platform. So you need to know them well, very well. Kasi nga, if you know these things well, ito yung maging advantage mo with other social media manager ng mga applicants. Okay? So you should know about it. You need to really study about this, guys. But I'm gonna be showing you a really nice alternative kung ano bang alternative na dapat natin gawin when it comes to photo video sizes, may i-discuss ako yan later on, okay? So, social media manager task, i-discuss ko yan siya after this video. So, see you sa next video natin, guys.